we don't have really enough time to jump in and do everything.
Right.
There's not enough time in the day, you know?
In a lot of days.
Yeah, but the door handle, we got to handle that so that we can kind of get that out of the way and move on and start working on the other things. But that's an easy fix, and we've got some J-B Weld products here that are going to make that fix even easier.
Yeah, we've got two different options here. You've got the KwikWeld as well as traditional J-B Weld. And really the only difference is how fast they set up and the strength. So the KwikWeld is going to hold you up to the equivalent of 3,100 pounds of strength versus one is going to be 5,000 pounds. But the trade-off is it'll cure faster. This one will cure a little bit longer.
Yeah, the KwikWeld sets up in 6 minutes, and it cures in 4 to 6 hours. And the original sets in 4 to 6 hours, and it cures in 15. So I think the scenario with pretty much any job that you're doing is the time frame that you have. If you're saying, well, we're going to glue this handle on, and we're going to shut that on there, and we're not even going to look at this thing for a week, well, let's use the original, right? But if it's something you say, well, it's nice to get that on in the morning, and then maybe keep working on that a couple hours later, then the KwikWeld is probably the option that you want to take.
You know, there's so many different applications to use it for. In the automotive world, you've got steel, plastics, and just about anything else, because you can tap it, you can drill it, you can sand it, you can pretty much do anything to it. And not only is it a quick fix, but it's also a permanent one.
Just don't put it. Fortunately, you can't really put it in the wrong place, can you?
All right. Now watch the magic happen.